Hello again folks, this time on the spotlight we have this YALE padlock, and this one, if it'll never focus, is a Y210 51. As you can see, it's a nice brushed steel finish padlock. It is locked up there. I don't have a working key with this one. There's your keyway. So you got on this one of Solomon. Show you here. It's locked up. There are security pins in here. It's a 5-pinner. Just going to use a Southward Max shallow hook. Try and work in around this warding. You want to pin 2 and you get a false set immediately. That was pin number 1 also. That's pin number 5. Pin number 3. Got me an upward keyway. Pin number 4. In a deep false set now. Usually the awkward pin to get is pin number 1. It's just hard to get out. And there we go. Rope, say pin 1 is very awkward to get at. But this one is guttable. So I'm just going ahead and cut this and see what's in it. Just going to move the camera down a wee bit. Don't do that, of course. Sort of focus on what we're doing here. Okay. So, right. I have no working key for this here, so sort of I have to be a bit careful. Just take these wee screws off the end. Just can't let this here close up. Just need to be a bit careful. Oh, there's the wee end plug. Just off. Okay. Just need to watch what we're doing. Okay. Just go ahead. Okay, so you can see there's your core. There's no counter mill in there or any sort. You can see steel anti-drill pins there. So I'll just start out with, put it this way, my tweezers. Start out with pin number 1, which is, as you can see there, it's a standard pin. Pin number 2, these will probably all be standard. There's also a standard pin. Number 3 is also a standard pin, and number 4 is also a standard pin, and last but not least, number 5 is also a standard pin. So now for your driver pins. Okay, so pin number 1 is a longish spool, as you can see there. Pin number also a longish spool. Pin number 3 is also a longish spool. Come on, pin number come here. Number 4 is also a longish spool. Oh, there we are. Sorry. Last but not least, pin number 5 is another spool. So they all seem to be spools. There's no standard pins there. The driver pins at all. I'm going to try and sort these out. In there, just show you. So in there in one we have a standard spool, 2 standard spool, 3 standard spool, 4 standard spool, 5 standard spool. So very surprised at that there's no standard pin in there in the drivers. It's all spools. There you go. That's your YALE Y210 51 single pin picked and got it. Thanks for watching, folks, and all the best. Bye bye.